Hey my gems, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Ruby of toberuby.com, which is a natural hair and beauty blog specifically dedicated with different tips, tricks, and tutorials for different beauty trends, natural hair, what you can do, what you shouldn't do, baby, because you shouldn't always do everything that they be talking about. Okay? Okay. So happy to have you here today. You'll be able to see more content from me if you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when different videos become available like this one. Today I'm excited to share with you guys the collection that I received that's created a lot of buzz in the natural hair industry. They actually sold out once they actually launched this new line and collection. Are restocking already, and I'm excited to share with you guys exactly what that collection is. Bum bum bum. I received the Mielle Organics Rice Water Collection. So I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the products that I received in this kit. This box is suited and booted. Suited and booted. Look, it's so heavy I can't even hold it, baby. It's all those goodies. So I want to go through you guys with the different products that I received in here, what the collection's all about, and provide you with a tutorial of what I'm going to be doing with my hair today with a get ready with me look. So this entire rice water collection is actually created to have different cleansing properties, to help with product buildup, to actually promote a healthy scalp. And as we all know, a healthy scalp is equated to having a healthy hair. So this collection is going to help to grow your hair, but also to retain the length that you have. Because if you are growing your hair but not retaining that length, you're never going to get that length. It's going to constantly be growing and breaking off and having different issues if it's damaged, whatever it may be. But then you want to actually have the second component to actually be able to retain that length. So this rice water collection is actually designed to help you with both pieces of the puzzle. So I'm excited to try this rice water collection, see how it feels in my hair, and actually be able to monitor my progress while using it. Alright, so first things first, let me show you what my hair is looking like under here. So as you can see, I actually have my hair in a bun, and I do have some product buildup here around my roots, and my scalp as a whole definitely needs to be cleansed. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and wash my hair to actually be able to cleanse it completely, and then I'm going to come back on camera and show you guys how I use the clay mask as the next step in the process. So stay tuned. So the clay mask did do a really good job of removing that product buildup while not making it feel dry. I know with other clay masks, sometimes my hair does tend to feel a little drier after washing it out, as it is obviously, of course, made to help remove that product buildup. But I actually feel like my hair feels soft. So next up, I recommend moving forward with a deep conditioner. I still recommend doing a deep conditioner weekly. So I'm going to be going ahead and using the Mielle Organics. This is their mint deep conditioner babusa oil. This is one of my favorite deep conditioners. I'm actually, as you can see, kind of running low on it. So I'm going to be putting this in my hair, letting this sit before I begin the styling. Look at how those curls are looking. Looking good. Okay, hair is completely dry, and for the last step, I'm going to come in with the Shine Mist to give it a little bit of gloss right on top. Make sure that sheen is popping on these curls, okay? So I already took the top off. Let me make sure it's all good. You know you got to give it a couple sprays before we get going to how you really need. Okay, so I sprayed a little bit on my hand just to get an idea of what it feels like. And you can tell that it is a water base, which is perfect for curl refreshing, but you can also feel like that oil in there, so it is a shine mist. And actually the number one ingredient is water. Boom. So this is perfect for refreshing your curls but also adding some sheen at the same time. So I'm just going. I love the way that the rice water collection actually removed all the product buildup from my hair. You guys remember what my hair was looking like before? And look at me. Look at me now. Oh, look at me now. Oh, I'm feeling clean. Scalp feeling refreshed. Fresh to death. No stress. Love how the rice water collection helped with the product buildup, removed it by keeping it still moisturized at the same time. I can definitely feel how hydrated my curls are, and they don't feel very still or heavy at all. So I definitely would check out this rice water collection. Well, my gems, I hope you enjoyed this video of me trying out the Mielle Organics new rice water collection. If you did like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can be notified when new posts become available on my channel. And if you aren't already, please make sure to come check me out on my social media to see a little bit more behind the scenes of my daily life. That's at 2BRuby on Instagram, also on Twitter as well as Facebook. And of course, check me out on my website at www.2BRuby.com. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye bye, gems.